Dear students, in this session we are going to continue few more previous year problems. Area of the region outside modulus x by 2 plus modulus y by 3 equal to 1 and inside the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 is a into six into pi minus 2 3 into pi minus 2 3 into 4 minus pi six into 4 minus pi. Modulus x by 2 plus modulus y by 3 equal to 1. X square 4 plus y square 9 equal to 1. So x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to first quadrant, x by minus 2 plus y by 3, that is this. This is outside this straight line. This is required area. Required area equal to area of the ellipse minus 4 times area of triangle OAB. Area of the ellipse pi AB minus 4 into of AB equal to pi into 2 into 3 minus 2 into this will be cancelled, 2 into 3, that is 6 pi minus 12, or 6 into pi by 2 square units. The area of an equal triangle inscribed the parabola y square equal to 8x with one of its vertices on the vertex of this parabola is option 64 root 3, option 2 256 root 3, option 3 192 root 3, and final option 128 root 3. Y squared equal to 8x, y squared equal to 4ax, 4a equal to 8, a equal to 2. The length of the triangle length of the side is 8a root 3. We have one result. Length of the equal triangle inscribed in a parabola. For parabola, y squared equal to 4ax the length of the side of equilateral triangle (8a root 3). Here a equal to, that is 16 root 3. So area of root 3 by 4 side whole square. Root 3 by 4 16 root 3 whole square. Root 3 by 4 into 256 into 3. That is 192 root 3. If you know this formula, length of the side is 8a root 3, you can find the results straight away. Otherwise, you have to find the side 8a root 3, then you have to apply this. This is one method. Other method is y squared equal to 4ax y squared equal to 8x a equal to 2 8 squared comma 2at 2t squared comma 4t. So this point 2t squared comma 4t, this is this is 60 degree, this is 30. Slope of line joining these 2 points. So tan 30 equal to 40 minus 0 by 2t square minus tan 30 opposite by adjacent, that is 2t 40 by 2t squared 1 by root 3 equal to 2 by t, which implies t equal to 2 root 3 therefore area half into OM into AB. Half into this is 2t squared. This is 80. The height, the base is 40 plus 40, 80. Base, the height is 2t squared, base 80. 1 by 2 t squared that is 12. 80, 8 into 2 root 3. (192 root 3). Next question. Consider a region or set of all x comma y belongs to R squared x squared less than equal to y less than equal to 2x if a line y equal to alpha divides the area of the region into two equal parts then which of the following is true? First option, alpha cubed minus 6 alpha squared plus 16 equals 0. Second option, three alpha squared minus 8 alpha power 3 by 2 plus 8 equals 0. Option 3, 3 alpha square minus 8 alpha plus 8 equal to 0. Option 4, alpha cubed minus 6 alpha power 3 by 2 minus 16 equal to 0. X squared less than equal to y less than equal to 2x. So x square equal to y. That is open rightward, open upward. Y equal to 2x. X square equal to 2x. X into x minus 2 equal 0. X equal 0, x equal 2. X equal to 0 implies y equal to 0. X equal 2 implies y equal to 4. Two comma 4. Here 0 comma 0. That is y equal to alpha divided to equal parts. According to the given condition, 0 to alpha, upper curve minus lower curve, upper curve straight line. The given y equal to alpha. Regarding y axis, this is upper curve, this is lower curve. Twice 0 to alpha. Upper curve, this root y dy minus 0 to alpha root y minus y by 2 dy equal to alpha to 4 root y minus y by 2 2y. Y per 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus y square by 2 0 to alpha minus y per 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 for y square by 2 already we have 2, that is y by 4, y square by 4 alpha to 4. Which implies 2 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4 equal 2 by 3 4 power 3 by 2 minus 16 by 4 minus 2 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4. 2 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 4. 2 by 3 4 power 3 by 2 means 4 into root 4, that is 8 minus 4 minus 2 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 plus alpha square minus 4. Bring this side. 4 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 minus 2 times alpha square by 4, 16 by 3 minus 4. Equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 alpha power 3 by 2 minus alpha square by 2 equal to 4 by 3. Multiply by 6. 8 alpha power 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha squared equal to 8. Bring this side. 3 alpha squared minus 8 alpha power 3 by 2 plus 8 equal to 0. So option 2 is correct in this case. Next one. The area of the region Shortfall x comma y (0 less than equal to y less than equal to x square plus 1 0 less than or equal to y less than equal to x plus 1 1 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 is option 1 23 by 16, option 2 79 by 24, option 3 79 by 16, (23 by 6). 0 less than equal to x square plus 1. 0 less than equal to x plus 1. 1 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. Y equal to x square plus 1 or x squared equal to y minus 1. 0, 1. Let's open upward. Y equal to x plus 1. X equal to 0 implies y equal to 1. Y 0 means x equal to minus 1. X square plus 1 x plus 1. X into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 0, x equal to 1. X 0 means y 1. Y equal to 2. So this point 0, 1, this point 1, 2. They intersect at these 2 points. X equal to half. To 2. We need this area only. So for this purpose, you have to take x equal to half to 1. Area between the ellipse, parabola and x-axis 1 to 2. This line is y equal to x plus 1. Required area 1 by 2 to 1 x square plus 1 dx plus 1 to 2 this the shaded which is the required area. Half to 1 you have to find the area between the parabola and x axis. 1 to 2 the line x plus 1 to x axis. x square plus 3 x x square by 3 x square by 2 plus x. That is 1 by 3 plus 1, that is upper limit, minus 1 by 25 plus half plus 4 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 4 by 3 minus 1 plus 12 by 24, 4 minus 3 by 2. Four by 3 minus 13 by 24 plus 5 by 2. Take it as LCM. 8 times, that is 32 minus 60. 92 minus 13 by 24. 79 by 24 square units. So option 2 is correct in this case. Next question. The area of the region set of all x comma y such that x minus 1 into integer part of x less than equal to y less than equal to 2 root x 0 less than x less than equal to 2, where T denotes the greatest integer function is option A, option B, option C, eight by root 2 minus 1. Option D, 4 by 3 root 2 minus half. X minus 1 x less than equal to y less than equal to 2 root x, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. This is equal to 0 when x belongs to 0 comma 1 and x belongs to 1 comma 2. Therefore, y equal to 0 to 1, this is 0, x minus 1, the given curve is y equal to 2 root x, y squared equal to 4x. Here y equal to x minus 1, y equal to between 1 to 2. This is y squared equal to 4x. This line is y equal to x minus 1. This is y equal to 2 into 2 root x. We need this area. For this, you find the area between this curve and x-axis and subtract this area. Required area. Integral 0 to 2 into root x dx minus area of triangle ABC. This point will be here x equal to, therefore this point will be 2 comma 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 into x per 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 over 0 to 2 minus area of triangle AB is half into the distance will be 1 unit. This also 1 unit. 4 by 3, 2 per 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 4 by 3 into 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2. 8 by 3 root 2 minus 1 by 2. So option 1 is correct in this case. The area of the region x comma y, set of all x comma y such that modulus x plus modulus y equal to 1. So less than equal to 1. Two y square greater than equal to modulus x is one by 3 b 7 by 6 1 by 6 5 by 6. modulus x plus modulus y less than equal to 1, 2y squared greater than equal to modulus x. So 2y squared greater than x, 2y squared that means 2y is equal to x. So both sides modulus x means plus or minus x, that is y squared x, y squared minus x. That is modulus x plus modulus y less than equal to 1 and bounded by x greater than 2y squared greater than modulus x. Greater means outside, that means this portion. Y squared less than x means inside, y squared greater means outside. This is the region we have to find. So this is the reason we need. All quadrants are symmetric, therefore required area equal to here 0, so first we need this point of intersection. 2y squared equal to x, x plus y equal to 1, x equal to 1 minus y, 2y squared equal to 1 minus y, 2y squared plus y minus 1 equal 0, minus 2, 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2, y plus 1, 2y minus 1 0, y equal to minus 1, y equal to half. Y half means x half. So this point half 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Y equal to half means x equal to half. So area equal to 4 times 0 to half this portion. So 2y squared dy plus 4 times area of triangle PAB. Four into 2y cubed by 3 or 0 to half 4 into 1 by 2 into base half to 1, the distance also half, 8 by 3 into 1 by 2 whole cube, that is 1 by 8, lower limit 0, plus half, this will be cancelled. One by 3 plus 1 by 2. Take 6x LCM. 2 times here, 3 times. Five by 6 square units. So option 4 is correct. The area of the region enclosed by the curves y equal to x squared minus 1 and y equal to 1 minus x squared is equal to 4 by 3, 8 by 3, 7 by 2, 16 by 3. Y equal to x square minus 1, y equal to 1 minus x squared. So x squared equal to y plus 1, x squared equal to 1 minus I, minus of y minus 1. So this is the parabola. This is x squared equal to y plus 1, vertex 0, minus 1. Zero comma 1, that is x squared equal to 1 minus y. So this is the point 0, 1. y equal 0 implies x equal to plus or minus 1. This point is minus 1, this point is plus 1. Two quadrants. So area equal to x squared minus 1. Twice 0 to 1. This is upper curve. So this curve, that is 1 minus x squared minus the lower curve x square minus 1 2x. So upper portion lower portion, that is you have to apply 2 times. Area between two curves you have to apply 2. 2 into 0 to 1, 1 minus x squared minus x squared plus 1 to dx. Two minus 2x squared dx. 2 into 0 to 1, 2 into 1 minus dx. 4 into 0 to 1, 1 minus x squared dx. X minus for 0 to 1. One minus 1 by 3. 4 into 2 by 3. That is 8 by 3 square units. In this session, discuss the sums which are asked in 2020 main examinations. Thank you.